I'm at Arizona Custom Knives. They let me film a couple of knives that they are for sale right now. Only one available most of the time. This one right here, serial number 5. So very special Morpheon UTX-70 double H mirror polished. So this is one of a kind knife. It's over $2,000. Sometimes they go on sale, but yeah, there you go. There's certificate of authenticity. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. I love Morpheon knives, Microtech knives, so it's a division. Whoa, that's tiny. You know what, one thing, looking at the picture, but yeah, UTX-70 is small. You see how there's a wooden part inside of it. What does it say? Mirror polish, iron wood inlay, two-tone stainless steel. Yeah, it does feel like stainless steel. There's the number of it. They were actually made in 2022, and that's what they mean by mirror polish. How beautiful that is. Really hard to find, and the fact that it's a number 5, that's even more rare. Yeah, that's beautiful. So yeah, one of a kind knives, OTF knives, very collectible. I wouldn't be using them every day, but you know what, maybe a weekend carry, show off once in a while would be nice. Yeah, this side here they have something extremely rare. This is a vintage OTF Microtech. These ones are really hard to get, and there's a few different kinds. So right now is on safety. There's fire safety, and then you just press it right here. Oh, boom, I guess it was on fire. Wow, look how long that is. These knives are extremely rare, different kinds. Some of them partial serrated, some of them serrated, but look how awesome that works. You just press this and then pull on that, and there's the name of the knife. It's number 10 out of 98. Nemesis, that's the name of it, 1997, patent painting, and it's Microtech. Super rare, hard to get. And then again, safety, fire, boom, comes out pretty nice. And again, if you don't know how to open it and close it, you'll have hard time with that. You see, super easy. This is a really expensive, like over $2,000 knife. You'll be lucky to even find them for sale. Arizona Custom Knives always have something unique like that. But once they sold, they sold. Most people would assume you press the button that you pull. You got press this right here, and then you pull right here, and it will reset it. Safety. Beautiful knife. Comes with a holder. Belt loop. 1997 Microtech. 10 mil. Look at that one. Out of front again. Well, let's find out. I'm at Arizona Custom Knives. Never seen one of these before. Wow. There's a dagger style. Look at that thick blade. That is beautiful. I love that rustic look to it, like it's been used even though it's new. That's insane. So that safety, there's no safety. The only way to put it on safety is just release it. No? Okay, you press this button, you can release it. There is no safety on that knife. That is awesome. That's one of a kind. I love that, like a barrel look to it, and heat treated, or how do they do that? Let me know in comments below. That's amazing. So you press it, you release it, lock it, and there is no safety. The only way to activate it is just pull it here. That's it. That is beautiful. Wow. And then there was a rubber band to keep it as safety a little bit. So it's single action OTF. ArizonaCustomKnife.com present to you one of these ice picks that is OTF, out of front. Check this out. To pull it back in, you push it this way, then you lock it in. It has a little clip, but yeah, so rustic, really oily. You spin it 1, 2, and you have a nice ice pick. That's so cool that you just lift it out and then close it this way. One, and then there's a second pull, that's another pull, and then a third pull. Wow, that is so cool. Let's see if there's markings. There's here the logo, 10 mil. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it all the way right. 1, 2, 3. That is so cool, and it kind of like flexing over here. Beautiful. If you need to break up ice, there you go. Then you lift the whole thing up, twist it, and then it's comes in and out, and unlock it. That's it. And then twist it this way. That is very unique Autophone ice pick. We had Arizona custom knives. Got that here. Burned knives. There you go. There's a little note for you if you buy one of this. Look at that. It is a beast. It's overbuilt. It's so thick. Wow. It's just huge. There's a flame of a carbon fiber look like. Brass knuckle. He makes a lot of those. There's his logo. And flipper. Wow, really nice grip. So thick. Ooh, did you hear that? That sounds like a, I don't know, like a register when you pull out money and stuff. That's cool. Lock it in all the way. Nice. No wiggle at all. Where would it be the balance? Probably have to measure it this way. Perfect balance again. You see, that's why I'm gonna hold it. That is incredible. It's so thick, it's so big, but look at that carbon fiber. Pull this out, pretty smooth. There's another knife for sale at their store. Check this out. That is cool OTF knife. That feels fun. Wow, that's so big. It is hard to pull on it. And there's a logo. Feels like made out of brass, incredibly heavy. That is awesome. Look at that. But so smooth. Love it. There's another one. This one a little bit less rigidity, much more comfortable, way smaller. Boom. Damascus blade looks like, made out of brass. As you can see, it have tarnished a little bit, but it feels like they meant for it to be tarnished to look cool. Look at that carbon fiber. I love the way it sounds whenever you pull it out. These things are really hard to find. Every time they make so many of them, they sold out. That one is super fancy. So as you can see, one is huge rigidity, next one is a little bit more smooth, and then we have right here Damascus, Damascus, not sure. Right here, I think it's a Damascus. We can double check. That looks so nice. Wow, do you hear that? I love the way that sound. And look at that blade, dagger style. I think both of the sides are not very sharp. Not sure what's about. I guess all about that is sharp. So cool. That's quick. Love that. Never handle his OTF knives. Definitely fun. Would love to have some. Really heavy.